Having problem to set up our Google AdSense can be frustrating. Right now we will help you and guide you on how to put an AdSense. So here's the thing you need to do. First, you need to go to the browser, type Google AdSense, then sign in. When you sign in, you need to use the email associated to your YouTube account. Okay, so after that, you will see in your Google AdSense that they required you to create a website. So since you don't have a website, we need to create a website. Then what we need to do right now, we need to use the blogger.com in order to create a website. So you need to go back to the browser, okay, and type blogger.com, then sign in. After you sign in your blogger.com account, there's a portion here that we need to put the URL account. So in my YouTube account, the name is EDWowTV. So what we need to do is you need to use the small letter edwow.tv.blogspot.com. Okay, so after that you will select next. Then there is a portion here that you need to confirm your display name. So the display name of my YouTube account is a.d space wow space TV. So that is the name of my channel. Then after that, you need to click the finish button. Then it will appear in the Blogger site that you already created a website. Then go to the left corner, click your YouTube account. For example, in my YouTube account, EDWowTV. Then go down and click the earnings. Then you can see in the earnings that there is an instruction to create an AdSense account. You need to click that create AdSense account button, and then you will be sent to the Google AdSense with your correspond website. Website will be appear. For example, in my site edwowtv.blogspot.com. Then you need to go down and click those blank need to be answered. For example, your country. Then I have read and accept the agreement. You need to check that one. Then start using AdSense. After that, you already created your AdSense account. So you need to go to the burger icon or the three line in the left side. Click that one. Then you need to go to the site in order to check if those website that you created was being reflected. Okay, then you need to request a review. So if you click the approval status, there is also an instruction on how to request a review. Okay, so if you have time to read that portion, you can read that and explore. If you click the website, you will be sent to the portion where you can request a review. Okay, so just request a review. Okay, then it will appear that the review requested. So once it will be requested, you need to wait 1 to 2 weeks for them to review your website that you created. Then you will receive an email coming from the Google AdSense if it is already being approved. Okay, so that's it. That is the process on how to create a website, how to add an website in your Google AdSense account. Okay, so if you find this instruction helpful, please subscribe, like, and subscribe my channel for more details and update. Okay, so that's it for today, and good evening. Thank you.